Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to discuss if it's possible to chat with anyone on Tinder. So let's see. The first of the options that you have is to wait for that people to like you and you like it too, so you can have a match and automatically you can share some messages with that person. I'm really sorry to disappoint you, but there is no way to chat with that person without paying for it. But what I can show you right now is the subscription tiers that Tinder is offering right now. You have to plus, gold, or platinum to select. So if you see on this black option, Tinder Platinum, you can send messages before matching. It's the only Tinder subscription that is going to allow you that. Obviously, there is a risk because if you message that person, she or he is going to be available to look into your profile and see if she or he likes you. And that's all you can do. There's no way to chat with anyone without paying. The only option is that you and that person have matched together.